Hi there, it's Mark here from Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, and we're going to give you a little tutorial here on the Syma drone. This guy here is an X8G, and we're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to change the blades out because it's not straightforward. It's actually quite a complicated little bit of a procedure. So to start off with, we take this little cap off the top and it just twists off. It's just a friction fit. So screw it in the undo direction until it comes off, and there it is, and it's actually just a friction fit so you can pull it off. And then the next step is with this little white section here. Looking in there, you'll see the metal pin down in there. What we need to do is turn this, because that metal pin is currently under this clip here and this clip here, so we need to just turn that. It is a matter of just pressing down and turning and giving a bit of a reef. There it goes, until it comes like that, and now the pin is a lot more visible. It's no longer over here in the edges, and when it gets to that point, you actually need to grab hold of either a pair of tweezers, or here I've got a pair of pointy nose pliers. I'm actually going to start with a screwdriver. What we're doing is just simply getting that shaft out. So you just need to give it a poke like that, and then grab it, and it's out, and hang on to it. And then the next part, this little white section, just comes straight up and off. That's him there. And then the blade just comes straight up and off. Now, most important, you see here it says B on the top. Most important is that you know that these quadcopter blades are not the same. They actually have, they go different directions. So each quadcopter is going to have blades which spin in different directions. So as here we've got a B blade, and then over here we have an A blade, and then on this one, which is totally opposite, it's going to be a B, and then again over here, getting in the way of my own light here, there's going to be another A. So replacing this, we now need to get the old blade out and get a new blade, which is right there. I'm going to replace the whole set. This one here, as you can see, is snapped off. So I'm going to replace the whole set. A, that's going to keep it balanced, and B, it's also going to mean that if any spares, I'll still have a full set of spares, but I'll have a brand new blade just in case any of these are actually bent. So we sit that down into place, and then we get the little white section here. And again, just making sure you've got a B blade in a B space. That goes down. And now this time around, we need to locate the little hole that pin is going to go through. And then once we've located it, there we go, I needed another press down. So now you can see the hole quite clearly there. So we put this down, and that's the way it goes with the little crown section to the top. Put that down, and now you can see the hole lining up. Here is the pointy nose pliers with the pin, and we're going to put that into that hole. Just like that. Once it's started, once it's in, you know, whether you do this with your fingers or whatever, you press it through until it's balanced. You see how that's sitting there in the middle, and then we simply turn this white section around to lock it into place. And here you can hear that click. That is now locked into place, and that blade's sitting on the motor. So we can then put the little friction cap back on. There it goes, back in place, and then that's done. One blade successfully replaced, and just do that 4 times over. As I said, I'm going to replace all 4 because this quadcopter has had a lot of learning and therefore a lot of crashing. So it's time to a new set of blades, but keeping all of the whole blades for spares in case we need them in the future.